What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a maintenance detail on this 2010 Dodge Challenger RT, and I'm just going to be taking you guys on a look of basically our process and what happens on a maintenance detail like this. So you guys can see, first off, we're going to be starting by vacuuming the carpets, the seats, and just really removing all the loose dirt. You guys can see that the carpets and really no part of this interior is exceptionally dirty. Once again, that's because it's a maintenance detail and there's just not enough time really in between details on this car for it to get really dirty. You guys can see we're not even lifting up the whole floor mat. We're just kind of detailing or vacuuming around the edges of it. And then we're moving on to just wiping down all the hard plastics and surfaces. And we're actually not even using an all-purpose cleaner because all-purpose cleaners tend to kind of unnecessarily dry out the surfaces and plastics on a car like this that obviously doesn't even really need it. So we're just using kind of a lighter cleaner that is going to not only clean it but also leave a little bit of protection. And then we're moving on to the leather seats. And this is an area where we usually just kind of scrub them because you guys can see they're just really pretty dirty. And even if you are doing a maintenance detail on a car every week, there is still going to be time for the seats to get kind of grimy and oily. So we're always going to be just scrubbing those pretty much because once again they just get dirty pretty fast. And then we're just going to move on to dressing all the interior surfaces. So you guys can see we're dressing the seats here, but we also dress all the hard vinyls, rubbers, and plastics to protect them until the next time we see the car. And then you can see we're just cleaning the glass here, and glass is really one of the most finicky surfaces on the car to clean. So we're just making sure we spend time on it and get it right because there's nothing better than just streak-free clear glass. And then you can see we're just taking a look at the after results here. And guys, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us at any time.